Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Today we have some work to do. We went to the beach for the weekend, and 2 days away from the garden might be 2 days too many. So let's see what we have to do. First things first, it looks like I need to stake up this tomatillo, do some pruning on that golden nugget, a cherry tomato. Let's head around this way. Got some pruning to do on these sunrise bumbles. They should be coming in pretty heavy soon. They're my last cherry tomato variety to come to fruition. So, oh yeah, we need to do some staking up. They fell down back there. This green bean table is just needs water, I think. Weed much? We need to pull those. Let's see. That comfrey needs to be harvested. I need to do a whole herb harvest. So this area back here is no surprise to me that needs attention. Oh gosh. Looks like I have sprung a leak. So let me go handle that right away. I believe that those honeydew are ready to come down. So I'm going to see if I can reach back there and get those. That's exciting. Oh, I see what's happening. They're splitting before they ripen. Okay, see that? It's splitting, and it's not even ripe yet. Well, we're just gonna take you off so we don't draw more bugs. You're still good. Hey, we got a saccalope. Keep an eye on you, little guy. These ones up off the ground should do better. Because it's not split all the way, we'll just take it in house and see if it ripens any. It probably will. Oh man, our watermelon bit the dust. I don't know what got to it, but that's done. Man, gotta figure out how to get that watermelon from there. I might just have to pull the whole vine over to me. The problems of having the short arms. Got it. Wait, but do I? Oh, gotta get something to get it out of there. Okay. The good physical therapist is never without an assistive device. Get out of there. Get out of there. Unconventional, yes. Effective? Also, yes. Yay. All right. Yeah. Okay. Good job. All right. I don't think there's anything else on this side. Oh, wait. Yes, there is. Now that I do believe I'm going to need help for if I want to get those beautiful flowers up there for drying, which I do. I'm going to need some help. Okay, that's fine. Let's keep moving. Anything over here that needs my attention? You don't look like you're growing. So there, oh, that's why. Vine borers. Let's just take the little fruit that we have. Okay. Okay. What do we got going on down here? Just some more of those growing. Good, good, good. See, I don't know how far down my little river was running. Ooh, that corn is close. That corn is close. I could pick it right now. I think I'm gonna wait one more day. Yeah, and there's a little small creek from my hose that burst. Okay. Let's go to the other side of the yard. Oh, wait, no. Let's go down here first. I know, need to cut the grass. That's always on the list. Oh, look. Some of, what are these? What's this variety? Oh, well, you were ready. Just fell right off into my hand. Hope y'all can see that. Oh my goodness, they're just falling off. Well, let's taste it then. Oh man, is that good? God knew what he was doing when he made you guys. My word. This is a Catawba grape. And oh my goodness, was that good. Oh, I can't wait until the rest of y'all are fully ripen. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for that blessing. Oh, there's some here that are almost ready too. And here, not quite ready yet. You saw how I tried to sneak and pull it off, but it's not ready yet. I came down here to get these borage flowers. I try and pick them every day. I use them in tea. There's just something just God blessed about this main garden. It truly is my sanctuary. I came in here with the intention of work, work, work. And when I left the other side of the yard, I'm already sweaty and a little bit tired, and I haven't even done much yet. But when I stepped in here, God said, sit down, breathe, be still, and know that I am God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Well, that's a big surprise within 2 days. Let me go get my shears. Now look, we finally, I'm trying to get it so y'all can see it. We finally got a little fruit on our kumquat tree. I'm excited. Yay. And these Thompson seedless, they are still small, but I want to taste just to see what we're working with. Uh-oh. Didn't mean to get that many. Just a little taste. Oh my. God, you have shown out with these grapes. I tell you what. No wonder there's so many scriptures talking about the vine, the vine, the vine. And I know there's a lot of other fruit that grow on a vine, but he had to be talking about grapes. He had to be. My goodness, that is good. Speaking of vine, got some cukes to get down there, or at least one big one I see. I'm going to grab that from the other side. Okay. This ended up being more of a harvest day than anything else. And I'm grateful for that. I am grateful for that. It ended up being a melon harvest day, and I staked a few things up, and I wasn't expecting it to be a harvest day, but I'm happy about it. I'm grateful, I'm happy, and I'm blessed. It was a beautiful garden day. You guys go and have a beautiful day too. Bye-bye, everybody.